Surface area of cylinder. How to find surface area of a cylinder with radius r and height h. So let's look into this. So cylinder basically has two circles, one on the top and one in the bottom, right? So let's draw one cylinder here and that is the other circle. It's like a can, right? Cylindrical can. Now if you have to find the surface area, then basically we are finding area of three surfaces. One is these circles, right, on top and bottom. Their areas are always same. And the other one is the lateral area of the curved surface, like this, right? So these are the three surfaces. Now individually, what we can do is, we can make a net out of it and then figure out what should be the area. So the net could be, so this is the central part. So if I cut it open from here, it rolls down, right? So it could be like, let me just roll it down here, right? So it could be like this, a rectangular piece. Height of this piece should be height of the cylinder. Well, so let's write down our height and radius. So for the cylinder, we are given radius of r and height of h. So in this case, height will be h. And how much is going to be this length? Well, perimeter or circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So if I cut this circle open, this total length will roll down to 2 pi r. So this length is going to be 2 pi r. So I have a rectangle here whose height is h and length is 2 pi r. Now I have these two circles also, one at the top and one here, right? Now these circles will have radius of r. Let me write down or show these circles separately here. So one circle, let me draw it like this. There's one circle on the top and then we have another circle right there in the bottom. And these circles will have radius of r, right? That's the radius r. For these two circles, both radius are same, their areas are same. And how much is the area for a circle? The formula is pi r square. So area of both the circles are pi r square plus pi r square. And what is the area of this rectangle? Length into width, right? So it is 2 pi r times height. So that is the area of rectangle. So now we can find total surface area of cylinder. So the surface area of a cylinder is how much? Can you help me find it? It's already there before you. Is area of rectangle, right? Which is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus area of these two circles. So 2 times pi r square. So that is how we can calculate surface area of a cylinder, right? And normally for your calculations, you can always take value of pi as equals to 3.14. That's kind of an approximate value, but you can always consider pi as 3.14 and find your answer, right? Here's an exercise for you. If you have a cylinder whose, let us say, let me write down some values for r, whose radius is, let us say, 5 centimeter and whose height is 10 centimeter, then find the surface area of this cylinder. And remember about units. What should be the units? So in this case, I will write down my units as unit square. So whatever are the units of radius and height, square of that will be the unit for surface area. Okay? So don't forget to write down the units when you do calculation. Units will be centimeter square. Okay? I hope that helps you to find surface area for any cylinder now onwards. We'll have some interesting questions on surface area and then volume of cylinder. Thank you.